time to come up today. Mike Rhode, Director of Rhode Justice, so the Chair and the committee. We are obviously strongly in opposition to this bill. We feel that this amounts to not only a threat on the right to be able to gather and speak, but an open season on the people that are doing so. The motivation for this bill comes ripped from headlines, current events, both from Black Lives Matter and the protests in Rhode. And that seems like a poor place to start. It's grandstanding, it has nothing to do with public safety, and I can't help but note the irony that you're saying drivers have the right to drive on the one hand, and then earlier today you said driving is a privilege that needs to be restricted. And then you say on the one hand, you want to prevent people from putting themselves in danger by standing on the median, yet on the other hand, you say it's okay to run over people if you're in the middle of the street.
Does it say run over people?
It says you are...
Does it say run over people?
It doesn't say run over.
Why are you saying run over people?
Because it is eliminating the penalty for killing people. Tell me how it does not say. So,
Does it say that in there?
we are strongly in opposition to this bill.
Did you read the bill?
I did read it. And I read the first version of it that was written North Dakota. And it says the same thing. That you are indemnifying people who could harm you.
Well, the bill doesn't talk about that.
You're right. So you are placing protesters at risk. The right for human beings, the right for protesters to assemble, to block traffic if necessary, which is a crime, however, it is part of speech, needs to be protected, not something that gets threatened or chilled. I mean, the logic behind the bill escapes me. The reason for putting it forward escapes me. The reason that we're hearing it escapes me. It seems like it is in reaction to current events, not based on anything real, motivated by things that are less than noble intent, and also going in line with other sweet bills in front of it. So,
Thank you, Representative.
Next, we're just sorry about that. Would you feel that blocking 95 is safe?
I will give you the example of Dr. Martin Luther King blocking the
Yes.
Admiral Bridge. Absolutely.
You think that's safe?
So
you think that your First Amendment right is more so than?
Representative Price, your question?
Do you think that your
Representative Price, your question is not on your bill. If you want to put something in that criminalizes protesting, that's a different bill. Your bill is about driving.
right?
If you want to ask them about the morality or the legality of protesting and blocking, what's more right, what's more wrong, that's not what the bill is about. We've already done it like 3 times. Okay, so let's not do it with everything. Go ahead and ask the question.
First off, this is before because I was stuck in that protest.
Black Lives Matter protest?
Whoever blocked the road out there, close to it could be a protest, close to being a riot, I would say. I was stuck in that melee. I was watching cars go southbound on the northbound road, exiting on ramps. It was chaos. And it's a safety issue. So this bill would enable people to safely travel on their way. If the protesters want to protest with their First Amendment, I-95 is not the place to protest. I'm sorry, but it's not. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous.
So,
Can we agree on that?
So I'm going to say that nowhere in the Constitution does it mention which roadway applies to speech. So whether or not it's dangerous or not, that may or may not be the case, but that's not actually the thing. If you witness people violating the law by traveling the wrong way on the highway, or going the wrong way up the on-ramp and off-ramp, that's an issue of traffic law, not an issue of speech or protest. If you witness that violation, then you should act on that violation.
So you're saying that it's okay to protest on the
I say
I-95?
that
The cars are traveling.
Again, Representative Price, this bill is not about whether it's okay to protest on I-95. By the way, several people on that protest were arrested for violation of criminal offenses, I believe, disturbing the peace. Want me to help you out?
Answer please.
Mr. Royal, do you think that a driver exercising due care who hits a protester in the road illegally should face civil liability?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, this question you answer.